Hi everyone, I'm Maria. Thank you for joining me. Today we will be working on our handstand. I will be showing you some simple techniques, drills and exercises that will help you improve your handstand. So if you're ready, let's hop on our mats and let's get started. For any handstand exercise, there is going to be a significant amount of stress on the hands and wrists. So it is important you stretch and warm things up. Here are some of the stretches, and you should go through each stretch for about 10 times. The shoulders are also very important in handstands, so one of the ways to prepare them for work are a few rounds of jumping jacks. That will get your blood flowing and energize your body. The first exercise we will do in our handstand progression is wall walk. Here we will work towards something that actually looks like a handstand, where we try to support our body weight on our straightened arms. Bring yourself into something similar to a down dog, with your feet close to the wall. And just walk your feet up until you get a straight line. Hold for a second and go down. Get used to the feeling. Now let's try to walk our hands as well. But be careful at this step. Be sure you have enough energy to walk back down safely and that you don't walk too close to the wall and risk flipping onto your back. Now we will do something that is called L-stand pose against the wall. Measure how far your flexed foot is away from the wall sitting in a pike position. Then place your hands where your heels were. Walk your feet up the wall to form an L shape. Keep your gaze on the wall and hold the pose. If you want more challenge, go on tiptoes and send hips back further. Now let's practice how to kick up into handstand. Stand close to the wall so you don't risk flipping over. First, step one foot in and just shift your shoulders over your wrists. Step back to starting and repeat few times. When you're ready, kick up and lean against the wall, maintaining the L shape until you eventually find the right balance and hold without touching the wall. Our next exercise are tuck jumps. Stand close to the wall. Get into a down dog position. Bend your knees and push yourself away from the floor into a handstand. Keep your knees bent and close to your chest. Try to maintain the balance, and if you push too hard, don't worry, there is a wall behind you to prevent you from flipping over. If you feel ready, you can try to extend your legs up. Our last exercise is handstand hold using the wall. Put your hands close to the wall and kick up. Put both of your legs onto the wall. Instead of having this banana back, try to bend one knee and keep that foot on the wall as an anchor while you lift the other leg off the wall. This will give you a nice straight line. When you're ready, try to lift the other leg as well. So these were some of the exercises you can do to improve your handstand. Thank you for sharing your practice with me and good luck!